Hey guys, this is your very own Beauty Stories by Matt, and a live session for airbrush makeup is going to go on, where I have taken a warm skin model, probably a sun-kissed skin tone, a dusky skin tone, a Goan skin tone, where we want to create a bridal effect. So on one side of the canvas I have done a soft orange, that is a D30 corrective concealer, along with DFD, which is one of my favorites foundation. Along with that, I used a little bit of 742 and D16 for a contouring, and on the other side we have done just pure orange. Now I'm using 10007 as a foundation of airbrush, and let us see how this entire thing goes. So just stay tuned. Guys, can you all see the color happening? And I am not touching the contouring area. Open up. And here when I am doing under the eyes, if you see my pressure, I am reducing my pressure. And just moving around the contour area. Not required necessarily that you do contouring, you cover the contour part. Going towards the side, not leaving it with a jerk, but releasing it gently, okay? Going on the side where we have not used any foundation, just pure airbrush. And here if you see, the entire team has been practicing today, and they have given their first hand of practice. So guys, we have covered half of the face with airbrush, and if you see that the entire finish, under eyes have been left soft. So if you see, the entire finish is just soft with the contour visible separately, and the other side I have just done a bit and a little more to be left, so I'm going to fill the product again, and you can easily find a difference. For now, this is done on a special request for our Indian brides, when people have questions that if we have warm skin brides, dark skin brides, southern brides, how do we do it? So a simple formula. How is it looking, guys, by the way? Switch on the flash. Switch on the flash. So have a look. Isn't it dewy? Yes. So when the entire eye makeup would be done, the entire eyebrows would be on place. Have a look at the dewy finish. Have a look. See? Yes? So when the entire makeup would be done, completed, her entire face is, and this is a powderless makeup, and it's gonna take at least 5 to 7 minutes to set and dry, and during meantime there should not be any movement on the entire surface happening. and her makeup is gonna be settled well. So much more to come in 2 days, today and tomorrow. A lot of makeup would be done, and my entire team is here. Hello guys, entire team is here, and I'm here for 2 days. So let's see, much more to come. Take care guys.